happy birthday, Hadaza. Pasensya ka lang
Lalala
natin
ako.
na sa isa.
Uy, Doko.
Like you are. Dahil yung lang ina-enjoy ko mabasahin na libro. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. I won't spoil the book. What this book is all about. Sa title pa lang, alam mo na kung bakit ito yung napili ko.
May kasama. Oo, agad kayo lang tayo.
Third book will be coming from Rachel Shira Aramis.
Mabot, be. Uy, alam ka tayo din.
In your life. Embrace this moment and the happiness it has brought you. May all your dreams come true and be always happy. So, this
Lady Peralta.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
No? Greet mo, break it down.
Francis Castillo.
Dad.
J. Luis Tamona.
Mercy.
Randall Asuncion. Fiona Casal.
and write your story in your own pace. Everyone around you. This book depicts the love of two souls. They may say that their love story is the best to ever exist in
Kasama din.
history.
Fiona Cassandra.
Mag-message ang katan kasi hakim pa J. Cupcake. Sakpay kaya di nga po. Say-sayat kong desisyon mo kin mabalik kami balo din. I'm so happy to see how you are progressing and completing your goals. So proud to see how you get up from that fall. Hi, Daz. Happy 18th birthday. When I think back on my childhood, all my best memories are with you. Malagip mo, ini. Nakasimsot ta, tapos ang babay. Tapos, ang tulad ta nga, ang kainda, ngem, hanta mapuputan di oras, ket, bigat gaya men. Malagip ko, unforgettable nga memories ko nga kadwa kaget. Hindi agin indayan tay JBF.
Tuloy. Oh.
So agin indayan kan JBF, tapos ni Christian, intulog na nga natin sa DJ. Indayo. Nabinag ni Das. DJ event na nga tayo. Di ba? Tapos, ang sangit kasi na mabiro ka. Tapos, ipinpilit na mabirukan niya. Ano mabirukan? Iso naman na lang magpapasta din ibig. Hanggang pulas malibatan na gijay nga inumubra. Adaman na gijay times nga ang daging kinawatan. Ngayon, hangmet umabot iti 1 week. Like no, kita takit at kinatawa takit okay dan tumanin. You're a great friend that I know I can always rely on. Even when we're both busy and haven't checked in.
Birthday
birthday. So happy birthday. To Roman and Mildred. This is a very good occasion. For Hadassah, I would have often Dasi as your teacher, advisor, your coach before. I wish you good luck. Happy birthday. To the virtues, the values that I taught you when you were under me, I hope you carry out throughout your life. So, life is what you make it. Again, happy